Cobra. There is no greater test for a young meerkat than how it deals with danger like this, face to face. Nothing can really prepare a youngster for such a moment. Should he attack or run? For the good of the troop, there is only one right choice. He sounds the alarm to summon help. The rest of the clan, some 20 strong, rush to the scene. Once these reinforcements arrive, the confrontation becomes completely one-sided. The cobra is fast, but meerkats are faster. A clash like this is not as dangerous as it might appear. The cobra is on the defensive and is now simply trying to get away from the baying hordes. The situation quickly turns into an open-air lesson as the adults show the youngsters how to deal with a snake. Danger averted, the older meerkats drift away to resume feeding. Meeting a cobra for the first time is a valuable lesson, which leaves a young meerkat a good deal wiser.